In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put subtitle in a course on Kajabi. Start by logging into your Kajabi dashboard. From there, head to the products section, then click courses. This is where you'll find the course content you want to update. Open the specific course you'd like to work on, and then select the video lesson where you want to add subtitles. Once you're inside that lesson, look beneath the video player for the video actions menu. Click that and then choose close captions. This will take you to the area where Kajabi lets you manage subtitle and caption files for that video. Next, click upload transcript. If you already have a subtitle file prepared, this is where you can add it. Kajabi supports uploading an existing SRT file, which is one of the most common subtitle formats. In the Media Library Asset page, find the transcription section and begin the upload process from there. When prompted, choose My Device so you can browse files stored on your computer. Locate your SRT file, select it, and then click Upload Transcript to confirm. After that, Kajabi will begin processing the file. Depending on the platform and file size, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to finish. Once the captions are processed and saved, it's a good idea to verify that everything worked correctly. From the student's perspective, the video player should now